Learning is more than memorizing facts. At Darden, it's all about doing. That's where the case method comes in. You'll step into the shoes of real business leaders tackling real-world challenges. You'll debate, defend your ideas, and refine your thinking in ways a lecture simply can't teach you. Most education focuses on declarative knowledge, facts, formulas, and theories, absolutely important. But knowing something isn't the same as knowing how to use it. That's where procedural knowledge comes in, understanding how to apply a concept when the situation isn't clear-cut. Business is messy and unpredictable, and the case method trains you to navigate that uncertainty. Each class is an open discussion where students bring out different perspectives and put them on the table. They break down problems, justify their decisions, and learn from each other's insights. You'll learn how to make decisions with incomplete information, weigh different risks, and understand the real-world implications of your choices, sharpening the skills you'll need for a successful career. Research in education shows that students trained in the case method perform just as well as lecture-trained students on fact-based tests. But when it comes to applying knowledge in unstructured, real-world situations, students trained by the case method have a clear advantage.
When you come to the Darden School, you really are paired up with the best of the best. And the Darden case method really teaches you how to collaborate and interact with a variety of people.
It allowed me to refine my critical thinking skills, think on my feet, and also learn from my peers. What it taught me was, one, not to immediately judge someone by the first thing that comes out of what they're saying in terms of their statement, but to give it a second to land and then take in the fullness of what they're trying to get to. So it gave me a sense of grace for others as they are also trying to work out their feelings and thoughts, which then helped me inform my response to something. And I've used that a lot in my job so far.